Hello everyone! Whenever Honor launches a new phone, one thing always grabs my attention: the Qinghai Lake battery. Every generation gets crazier, but this time Honor has completely shocked us. The Honor X80 Pro Max packs an unbelievable 11,000 mAh battery. That's nearly a one-third jump over the 8,300 mAh in the X70.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from Techie Street. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
Honestly, this sounds like something from a dream. So how long does it actually last? The results are insane. In a light load test, the phone kept running for 19 hours and 12 minutes. Yes, over 19 hours. It comfortably sits at the top of its class. The fourth generation Qinghai Lake battery is simply on another level. After seeing that, we had to test it in real life. The phone easily survived 2 full days of use. At 1:30 a.m., it still had 75% battery left after an entire day, with 5 hours and 21 minutes of screen time. By 2 a.m. on Thursday, it still had 32% remaining. That's more than 40 hours of usage and over 12 hours of screen on time. And here's the crazy part: it just refused to die. Even at 4%, screen time had reached 16 hours and 18 minutes, while total usage stretched to 58.5 hours. That's basically knocking on the door of 3 days. With battery life like this, feeling out of power feels almost impossible. And it doesn't just last long, it charges quickly too. The X80 Pro Max supports 90-watt wired charging, and a quick 15-minute charge gives back around 20%. Plug it in during lunch and you're set for the rest of the day. It also supports 27-watt reverse wired charging, turning the phone into a mini power bank. Earbuds, smartwatches, tablets, it can charge them all. When it comes to battery life, the Honor X80 Pro Max has reached a whole new peak. But battery isn't the only story here. Durability has always been an Honor's strength, and this generation pushes it even further with all-terrain drop resistance. Honor upgraded the structure and materials, using special adhesives and even borrowing ideas from Formula E's Halo protection system to create a new anti-collision design. Wait, what does Geely have to do with this? Honestly, I have no idea. Anyway, let's do what really matters: drop the phone. First, a simple table drop, no issues. Next, using the phone while walking, one of the easiest ways to drop it, still perfectly fine. Let's make it riskier and use it while climbing stairs. Again, nothing happened. The phone just keeps surviving. At this point, the drop resistance almost feels excessive. I still remember dropping my phone from a bunk bed in college and instantly destroying it. Meanwhile, the X80 Pro Max walks away without even a scratch. Students today are seriously lucky. And now it makes sense why Honor confidently offers the industry's first 2-year accidental screen replacement service. You only make a promise like that when you truly trust your hardware. As for water resistance, it's exactly what you'd expect from a flagship. The phone comes with IP68, IP69, and IP69K ratings, and can even handle water depths of up to 10 meters. At this point, it almost feels like Honor built a submarine. Or maybe they're just preparing for everyday accidents. Either way, let's do our usual test. Since it's fully waterproof, washing it after getting dirty shouldn't be a problem, right? And sure enough, after a quick rinse, everything still works perfectly.
These days, our phones are practically glued to us, and drink spills happen all the time. So, does the X80 Pro Max survive? Well, video playback is still working perfectly. Honor says the X80 series passed a 24-hour delayed spray test, so using it at the beach shouldn't be an issue. Changsha doesn't have an ocean, but it does have plenty of rivers, and honestly, dropping your phone into the water isn't impossible, right? Well, here's our fish. Back on the riverbank now. Come on. This Honor X80 Pro Max has been underwater for about 5 or 6 minutes. Let's see what happened. Time to unlock it. Missed the button. Let's try again. And it works perfectly. Swiping is smooth, the display looks great, and the camera works normally. So yes, for daily use, this phone is more than waterproof enough. After all, not many people would even recover a phone after dropping it into a river. Maybe it's not a submarine, but for everyday water resistance, it's seriously impressive. Combine that with excellent drop protection and huge battery life, and Honor has turned a fragile smartphone into something that feels built to last. But the experience goes beyond durability. Starting with the display, the phone uses a new second-generation, high-efficiency luminescent material. Brightness can reach an incredible 10,000 nits in certain areas and go as low as just 1 nit. That means excellent visibility outdoors and comfortable viewing at night. HDR videos also look fantastic. The display also features anti-burn-in technology, and durability remains one of its biggest strengths. Honestly, it's really impressive. Smoothness is excellent too. Honor phones have always been among the smoothest in their class, and the X80 Pro Max keeps that reputation alive. Performance has also been upgraded. The processor moves from the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 to the Snapdragon 6 Gen 5, bringing a noticeable boost. Honor's optimizations and its self-developed Hummingbird architecture make the experience feel polished. Daily use, touch response, animations, and long-term stability all feel incredibly smooth. AI is another Magic OS strength, and one feature really stands out: Android's first AI-powered always grip capability. For example, if you're holding the phone in one hand and receive a call, the system detects which hand you're using and automatically moves the answer button closer to your thumb. Sounds familiar? Exactly. It feels very similar to what many people know from Harmony OS devices. I switched between the X80 Pro Max and the Mate 80 Pro Max during testing, and honestly, both felt equally fast and accurate. Communication is another Honor specialty. Since this phone targets outdoor users, Honor continues to push this advantage. With dual-frequency GPS, tri-frequency Beidou positioning, and other technologies, you get faster location tracking, more accurate navigation, and stable signal reception wherever you go. I've always said that reliable signals, a great display, long battery life, smooth performance, and strong durability are the things most people actually need. The Honor X series consistently delivers all of them. That's why the Honor X50 became such a huge success, selling 15 million units and even competing with the iPhone. I'm sure plenty of X50 users are watching this right now. And that's exactly why whenever someone asks me for a phone recommendation, the Honor X series is usually one of my first suggestions, provided it fits their budget and they don't have highly specific needs. And the Honor X80 Pro Max is no exception. It's tough, reliable, and incredibly practical. I think it's a great choice for students, office workers, delivery riders, construction workers, and anyone who spends long hours outdoors. All right, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone!